Now you will learn how to use Binance Trading Bots. I will show you how each of these bots work, starting from the Spot Grid Bot to Futures Grid Bots, Position Snowball, and so on. In the end of this video, I will show you my #1 recommended trading bot for Binance. But first, in order to use any of their free built-in trading bots, you'll need to create the free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get the best welcome rewards on Binance. And if you want to get even bigger and better welcome bonuses, BYBIT provides the best rewards for our subscribers. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on the Binance registration page where you will see my face, my channel name, and the details of your welcome rewards, and the same also with BYBIT. You can create your free account using your email, phone number, Google, Apple or Telegram account. All sign-up methods are free. Once you are inside Binance, you will find the built-in trading bots here on the trade section and trading bots. At the moment of recording this video, they have 10 trading bots built in right here, and then also other trading bots. Let's start from the Spot Grid Bot, which is probably the most popular crypto trading bot, and here I will show you an example. You can put the lower range and upper range right here, and then it will show you the system on the screen. So it will be buying low and selling high, buying low, selling high, and repeat. Each time it can profit a small difference. Just to give you a quick example of my BYBIT Spot Grid Bot, here on the history tab you can see it's always buying low and selling high, and each time making a small profit. That's how the Spot Grid Bot works. The next one is the Futures Grid Bot, which is quite similar to Spot Grid with two main differences. First of all, you can use neutral, long and short, which means that you can benefit in all types of market movements. The second difference is right here, this leverage, which means that everything is amplified. And that's why Spot Grid is safer for beginners, because with Futures Grid you will have a risk of liquidation, which means that you may lose even your whole investment if you do it wrong. Just to give you an example, by clicking this autofill, you can see it fills out the details. And now if you look at the minimum investment, Binance usually requires a much higher minimum than BYBIT or other platforms. For example, here you can see minimum with these numbers is more than 2,200 USDT. And I'm quite certain that on BYBIT you could invest even with 10 times less, or at least 5 times less. That is based on my own experiences, as I have shown you in my previous videos. The next one on the list is the Position Snowball. The idea with Position Snowball is to benefit from the trends. For example, if you have a buy order and then the price starts going higher, it will reinvest the profit and buy again. And then if the price continues going higher, it buys again, buys again, buys again. So the idea is to take advantage of the trend. However, this one is also high risk because of the leverage, which means that there is a risk of liquidation. And then the opposite type of bot compared to this one is this one right here, Futures DCA. This bot doesn't buy the trend, but it buys in the opposite direction. So for example here, when the price starts dropping, now if you are going long, it will start buying here. Then it buys more, it buys more, it buys more, and it's hoping for the reversal. But of course, if the reversal doesn't happen and it continues crashing, you may get liquidated, because Futures DCA is also using leverage. You can see the numbers right here, and the price deviation means that how much the price needs to drop in order for you to buy and take profit per round, means that the idea with this bot is to sell when the price reverses. So for example here, if the price crashes and you are still buying, then once it reverses, your idea is to take profit on the reversal. The next one on the list is called Futures DCA, and this and the Spot DCA work more or less with the same idea. which means that they will buy, you can see buy, and then they sell with a small profit. And then they repeat buy, and sell with a small profit. But again, the difference between futures DCA and the Binance Spot DCA is that with Spot DCA, you don't have the risk of liquidation, but with futures DCA, you have that risk. Keep in mind that this is not the traditional DCA bot, even though they call it Spot DCA or Future DCA. And then is the Arbitrage Bot. In this one, the idea is that the price shouldn't affect your results, because the idea is to do funding rate arbitrage. Let's take some examples from the trading pairs here on the left hand side. You can see that on the perpetual futures, you will either go long or short, and then you do the opposite on the spot market. For example, here, when the BTC funding fee happens to be negative, it will go long on the perpetuals and short on the spot market. However, the challenge with the Binance Arbitrage Trading Bot is that the APR, so the annual percentage rate, usually isn't very attractive. And also there is a risk that the funding fee reverses. For example, it's quite rare that the Bitcoin funding rate is negative, as it happens to be now. Most likely, sooner or later, it will go positive, and then you would need to stop this bot as fast as possible and then start again with an opposite system. For example, Bitcoin short on perpetuals and then long on spot, because that is how it's usually done with Bitcoin. Either way, Arbitrage Trading Bot is quite low risk, but the upside is so small that I think it's not worth the risk. And let me click right here. If we sort this according to the biggest APR, you can see that some of them have potentially really high. But let me click one of these to show you an example. These are typically some rare altcoins, as in this one, ENSO versus USDT. And you can see the reason why the APR is so high. In the last few days, there has been massive volatility, and that affects the APR. Let me just show you here the funding rate history to show it to you in practice what has been happening. You can see here that during that extreme volatility, the funding rate has been heavily negative, and that's why the APR is momentarily so high. And with this one, for example, the funding interval is every 1 hour. So that's the second reason why the current APR is so high, because with Bitcoin, for example, the funding interval is every 8 hours. The next one on the list is called Rebalancing Bot. And the idea with this one is to buy different coins at the same time. Here you can fill them out manually or use the AI settings. If we click, for example, the main coins, it can choose 70% BTC and 30% Ethereum. And now, for example, if Bitcoin starts going much higher and Ethereum lower, then it would sell some of your BTC into Ethereum. And here you can choose how often the auto rebalance will happen. However, the challenge with this rebalancing bot is that it will be selling the winners to buy the losers. If some coins outperforms other ones, then it will sell those and buy the losers. So in my opinion, it doesn't really make much sense to sell the winners. Then Binance also provides algo trading bots. You can see here spot algo orders, futures swap and futures VP. And I don't usually focus on these in my videos because these are specifically for very high volume traders. If you are trading typical trading pairs like BTC and USDT or Ethereum USDT, you won't need this. And even with rare altcoins, only if you rare with a big amount of volume. So for 99, perhaps for 99.9% of the traders, these are not needed, and you can focus on the other ones. Now, which one is the number one recommended trading bot in my opinion, it's found on a different place. If you come here into trade, you can see here convert and block trade. You can see what happens. Easiest way to trade at all sizes, it says. And here we have it. Recurring, convert, recurring. This is the real DCA bot, because this bot will be buying regularly. So this one doesn't sell, unlike the bot that Binance calls Spot DCA. So typically when people talk about DCA bots or Spot DCA, this is what they mean. Convert recurring on Binance, and here you can choose which currency you want to convert, and here you can choose what you want to get, and the minimum is only 0.1 USDT, so people who don't have much are able to use it. And here you can choose the frequency, and you can use it even every hour. And here you can give your plan a name. You can put the maximum period if you want, but I recommend leaving that one empty. And then you can click here preview. You can still double check the details and click here confirm. And if you want to get double benefits, you can click here where to place your purchased assets, earn flexible assets. In that case, it will put into flexible savings account on Binance, and you are able to earn interest with the BTC that you acquire. Then you can simply click here confirm, and the bot will be up and running. I have shown you in my previous videos many times examples of my own Bitcoin DCA bots and why it's beneficial if some of these plans are even on the minus from the perspective of getting even more cheap BTC. Just to give you perspective on why Bitcoin DCA is so powerful, you can see here 200-week moving average of Bitcoin. It has always gone higher. In other words, every single long-term holder of Bitcoin has always been profitable if they held BTC for at least 200 weeks. And that's why getting Bitcoin directly is a better option for most people. That being said, if you want an alternative platform for trading, BYBIT have the best welcome rewards in the industry for our subscribers. And their trading platform is slightly easier to use compared to Binance. I will leave you a direct link in the description for BYBIT as well, so you can get started immediately.